In Iran, if you kill your rapist in self-defense, you will be hanged.
I'm sorry, you were raped when you were 16?
Yes.
By someone in the government?
Someone's. There are millions like me. I'm not kidding. I'm not exaggerating when I say millions. In 2022 and 2023, when they were arresting during the Women Life Freedom Movement, when they were arresting women, after raping them, they were shooting them in their genitals. This is not a foreign government coming inside our country and killing us. No, it is our own government.
I mean, think about it. If this regime does this to its own people and it has as an ideology to export this level of dark hate across the world and uses terror and violence to try to do so, don't we need to help them to free the shackles of this terror and help free them from this regime once and for all?